it's me, Jessica from To Install 37, coming to you from my kitchen floor, where I will be sharing with you guys today how to cover up your toe kicks using some off-the-shelf baseboards. The materials you're going to need for this post are some baseboards, some 2x4, 1x4, or 2x3, whichever fits the dimensions, or whichever one can slide underneath your toe kick, or whatever wood that you can find that can slide underneath your toe kick, and a nail gun. So basically you are going to clean the area, make sure that there's no crumbs or debris or anything under there. You're going to slide the wood underneath so that your baseboards have something to rest on. You don't want it to jut out. You want to make sure that it fits under there pretty snug. And then you are going to take your nail gun and nail it in. Nail it into the cabinet. I nailed it on each side of my, the ends of my cabinet, because it has some like little legs, or I don't know, it has something there to where I can just get the nail in. And then I also nailed it into the cabinet base. When I was choosing my baseboard, I made sure that my baseboard did not, that it wasn't the exact same size as my toe kick, that was a little bit larger. So if for some reason my toe kicks measure different sizes, that I have room for error and also room for me to nail the nail in. In this particular area that I'm demonstrating, the toe kick over here is a little bit taller than anywhere else in my kitchen, so the wood just slid in, whereas everywhere else it was a little bit more snug and it wasn't movable. So finding a wooden piece to nail it in was a little bit easier over there than it is over here, so I nailed it into my cabinet base. But yeah, this does it today for this edition of what Jessica's doing with the one room challenge. If you want to know more about that project, head on over to my blog, where I talk a little bit more in depth about things that are going on. And don't forget to check out my last video so that you can see what I plan to do with the one room challenge and my vision for it. And if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, let me know what you would like to see from me in the future in the comments below.